Members and supporters of the People's National Party, let us come together, unite, and take on the role that we are destined to play, to resume office in Jamaica House and defend the interests and promote the interests of the Jamaican people. We are the party of the Right Excellent Norman Washington Manley, of Michael Joshua Manley, P.J. Patterson, Portia Simpson Miller, Peter Phillips. Let us come together, comrades, all. Let us put this cascas on social media aside. There are a lot of good things going on. We established a unity committee. We issued a communique. All of the officers signed it. They want to see us come together. The signal has been sent to the rest of the party. Please fall in line. In Parliament, we are little but with Talawa. We are causing the government to run up and down in Parliament. Strong in the sectoral debates, strong in the budget debates, strong on legislation. We've established a junior shadow cabinet so our youth can shine and their talent can blossom. And they're already creating a name for themselves by standing up for justice and standing up for human rights. Comrades, we don't need to be our own worst enemies. Put down the cascas, put down the foolishness, throw down your arms and come, as Burning Spear would say. One love.